Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download your Guarda Wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Play Store app, and once you open it, you need to simply go to the option of search where you have to type in Guarda Wallet. So once you type it in, you can find the Guarda Crypto Bitcoin Wallet option. So simply tap on the install button, and after the complete setup of your account, your Guarda app will start to get installed in your Android device. So once the download process is over in matter of seconds, the installation process will start. And once the installation is also completely done, you can simply tap on the open option. So in this way, you can download your Guarda wallet on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.